So, friends, hi. Today we are going to learn how to create an agreement. So, creating an agreement, the same you have to log into your 5G account. You just select the go to this EAS tab. In this EAS tab, select HCP contract. Once you select this HCP contract, the page will open. So here you need to select that BU, that is respiratory, and P code, which doctor you want to create an agreement. Just select this doctor's P code. I'm selecting this Dr. P code. Okay. So here you will get the details of doctor. That is Dr. Sham Chaudhary, MSL code, pediatrician, DNB. And here the vendor code status is also shown active. So what does it mean by active? Means like that vendor code is already been created and you can raise any of the agreement. So in that case, if a few of the doctors cases, what happens is here the status will be inactive. So in that inactive, again you need to go to the vendor management. Here you have to link PAN card linking. Here you need to select, if it is PAN card is available, just select this PAN card, or P code is available, P code. Just do this and okay, approve. So update the vendor code. Once you select this, update the vendor code, it will go to the backend team to update it. So here in the same way, you can make it active. So once it is active, you can ready to raise any approval agreement. I'm sorry. So here you need to select this plus button. The screen will open for your doctor. The basic details, his name and this one and MSL code. Here, what is very important is you need to update the email ID. So email ID, why? Because once the agreement is approved, it has to be sent through mail. So for this, you need to update the right email ID, which is very important. Once you update the email ID, just go to the contract details, respiratory, from which division you are. Okay, select the contract type. Just remember, if you have agreed upon to give any honorarium, you have to select consultancy agreement request. If you have agreed not to give any honorarium, you can select no fees request. So just mind it, it's very important. So you can agreement start date is nothing but your event date. Okay, so go to the event date, select it automatically. The end date also will be mentioned here. So once it is done, go to the vendor details. Here vendor name as per PAN. It is very important to you need to check the sequence of surname, first name, last name of your doctor should be right as per the PAN card. So once it is there, you need to check the address details as per the address proof and go to the bank details. If it is GST registered, just check it whether the doctor is need GST. You need to update here and all the check all the bank details with the cancel check. Here attachments are there where you need to check it from the attachments. Same cancel check, visiting card. Visiting card should have doctor qualification and name and address. Okay. So once you have done, just go to this from where metro fellowship, yes or no. Okay, experience. What is the doctor's experience, and is it a what specialty, chest physician, cardiologist, what, and what is his qualification? Qualification should be as per the visiting card, whatever it is mentioned on a visiting card. Okay, once you do this, and here you need to select another obligation. Once you select this, you will be getting this obligations like uh, what you wanted to do is a speaker. Okay, once you select speaker, what is a speaker as far as CME or RTD, just select it. Topic name you should mention ILD. Okay, how many hours? 2 hours. Here you need to link the IES ID. So for this, just select EAS. So type what is the EAS ID, like to the number should be mentioned. Once you do this, you will be asked what is the voucher. Obviously it is a DRMT. And what is the event date? It is the 6th of November and year is 24. Just calculate the FMV. So FMV would be around 31,000, which includes the GST and which includes the GST. Once you do this, just save it. You will be go back to the main this one. Just check it all your details, whatever the field details are correct or not. If anything you want to edit, you just go to the edit option. You can make any changes, or else you can just go save. Once you save, select this option, acknowledge it, and submit. When once you submit, you will be redirected to the here the screen. Here the agreement is in a process. Status also you can check it whether the pending at what stage, means like therapy scope, the therapy scope, or compliance or medical, wherever it is, or rejected by any of the levels. You can come to know and you can reinitiate the same thing by the corrections. Once you do this, you will be seeing the approved. Once everything is done approved, then it will be redirected to the doctor. Once doctor uh, accept the agreement, you can initiate for a payment process after the event. So thank you.